This is how to put together and use a really simple chord chart. The basic idea is that you have the chords right here that you're going to use, and you just put this slider in here and it'll show you which of all of these chords you're going to use in the songs you're playing. So the first thing you're going to do is just cut the slider off on these lines. I kind of come up here, kind of round into it. Two reasons for that. The first one is that when you round the corners on these paper things, they don't get as dog-eared. And the second reason is because you can just set this slider on top, but I like to make a notch and put it through this way to kind of hold it in place. So basically all you're doing is you're taking this piece and you're putting it here to show you which of these chords. These are the basic chords that you learn when you're first starting out on the guitar. And not every chord, you don't have all 12 chords through here, because first off, the guitar, the way it's strung, it usually goes sharp. Second, as you get into these other chords, you get more advanced, you're going to do bar chords and you're going to do other things. Okay, so to use this is called the 3-chord trick. And there are actually 5 chords or 7, depending on how you look at it. So if you're in the key of C, you position this in C. The chords you're going to use are 1 is C, 4 is F, 5 is G, and the relative minor is A minor. So if we're going to do Come Thou Fount of Every Blessing, and we want to do it in C, we'll just kind of follow this along. So we start C. And then in the chorus, you move down to A minor. So here's the group of chords you're using. This is the 4th and the 5th of the minor. And these are the 3 main chords when you hear the 3-chord trick. If you wanted to do it in G, if you don't like that. If you don't like C, you move to G. It's the same relationship between. So if you understand the circle fifths, it'll be pretty clear to you. If you don't understand the circle fifths, you're going to want to look it up. And if you find what you're looking up is too complicated, look somewhere else, because the circle fifths is really pretty simple, and it's the basics of all of this. So it's not nearly as scary as it sounds. So G, the 5th is D, 4th is C, G, and the relative minor is E. And if that doesn't suit you, you can add one more sharp, move to the key of D. So you're basically same thing, except it's shifted a 5th. There's D, and your 5th is A, and your 4th is G, which was the tonic before. So these are the basic chords you're going to use. There aren't very many of them. You can have there are all kinds of chords available, but you don't need to worry about that at this point. As you get more advanced and learn more chords, you're going to kind of abandon this. So these key signatures are actually go in a circle. That's why it's called the circle of fifths. So as you move around here, A, E, B, G flat, D flat, it comes back to where it starts again. I just have it laid out like this because this is easier to use and it encompasses the chords you'll most commonly use. But as you think about it, you need to remember that this is a circle of fifths, that these repeat as they come around. for your purposes at the moment, just starting out, you don't need to worry about that. Anyway, good luck. I hope that helps.